going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to move files or how to transfer files from your MacBook into your pen drive or into your hard disk, which are in fact external sources connected into your MacBook device. Whether you want to back up your files, you want to back up all your data here from your MacBook into your external USB drive, do not worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do this, as this is an easy way of doing it. Many people also face issues such as situations where the pen drive is unable to receive the files, or you simply see a blocked icon while trying to copy files into your USB drive. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that as well. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here I am. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my external USB pen drive into my MacBook. I've already connected it, and then we're going to tap on Finder here at the left inferior corner. Okay, so once we open up Finder, we should see the pen drive around here. Now, if you are unable to see the pen drive in here, just the way I am unable to see, do not worry. All we need to do is hop into the top left corner, tap on Finder. Next up, tap on Settings. Okay, so once you tap on Settings, you're gonna go all the way to the sidebar. You want to make sure that external disks is actually selected or ticked. Okay, next up, you want to go all the way to General and make sure that external disks is also ticked in here. So once this is done, we're gonna close this, and then you'll be able to see your pen drive right here as an external source with an eject button here attached right to the name of the pen drive. Okay, so this is the name of the pen drive. Let me quickly tap on it to open up, and this is my pen drive folder with the files that I've got stored in my pen drive as well. Another thing, as soon as you connect your USB pen drive, you'll be able to see here the pen drive in your desktop. Okay, so let me quickly disconnect it just to show it to you how it looks like. This is my pen drive disconnected. As soon as I connect, as you can see in here, we've got the pen drive showing up in the desktop. Okay, let me quickly reopen Finder, go all the way to my pen drive in here, and we've got files stored here in my pen drive. So suppose I want to move files into my pen drive. What I need to do is simply go all the way to Finder in the inferior left corner, right click, and then tap on New Finder window. Okay, so once we have a new Finder window in here, we're then going to the path where we have my files. For example, I've got in here, this files in here. I want to copy all these pictures into my pen drive. All I need to do is simply select them and then simply drag and drop them here inside my pen drive. Okay, so once I drop them, they're gonna be all stored into my pen drive. Now, we've got a few situations where you try to copy them, you try to move them into the pen drive, and you see a blocked icon that doesn't allow you to actually store those files in your pen drive. In that scenario, you actually have to format your pen drive to a different format, okay, to a different format which is compatible to your MacBook. So what we're going to do if you have that situation is, first of all, we're going to back up all the files that we have here in our pen drive so we do not actually lose our files, because we're going to format and delete everything that we have here in our pen drive. So I'm going to create a new folder here. I'm going to call it backup. Okay, here in my desktop, I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to create a backup of all files that I have in here. So the pen drive doesn't allow you to store new files, but it allows you to actually back up or copy the files that you already have in your pen drive to your computer. Okay, so let me quickly move all the files to my backup folder. Here we go. I've successfully created a backup. Next up, we're going to open up Disk Utility. So here at the top right corner, we've got the Spotlight search. Tap once on it. Next up, simply write Disk Utility. So once you search for Disk Utility, double tap here on Disk Utility, and you'll be able to see your pen drive here under External label down here. So what you want to do is you want to select my pen drive, and then you want to tap here on Erase. Okay, so once you tap on Erase, you need to select a new format. I would recommend you guys to use exFAT, as this is a format which is highly compatible in different operating systems. Next up, simply tap on Erase. Now your pen drive should be erased and set to a new format. Simply tap on Done, close Disk Utility, and then simply open up Finder once again, new Finder window, and here we go. My pen drive is right here. Next up, I'm going to simply copy all the files that I've backed up previously by selecting all of them. Let me quickly select them here, backup file, and bring them back into my pen drive right here. It's going to take me a few seconds or minutes depending on the size of the files and the speed of the USB pen drive. Next up, I'm good to go. I can now store new files into my pen drive, and this is how you can actually move files or transfer files from your Mac to your pen drive, or how to fix the problem of trying to copy files into your pen drive and it's not accepting. This is how you should fix the issue. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful here on YouTube, consider subscribing, leave a comment down below, and like the video. If you have any doubt, also leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.